Number 3, death by slide deck. Participants are bored to death by PowerPoint. Okay, agreed. We need to check the backlog. But checking the backlog in this situation does not mean using Jira, Excel, or PowerPoint. For example, you also could recreate the current product backlog items on stickies and put them on the wall. Or if you have a copy of that on your wall anyway, just move it to the area where the sprint review is taking place so everyone can see what is currently available in a product backlog to inspect it at a later stage. Other suggestions. It's truly about show, don't tell. And if you would like to take this a step further, consider about giving the helm to the stakeholders. Why not let them try out new things and be surprised how this is working and let them discover on their own what you built. This usually is a good idea. Or another situation, if you're working with several teams on the issue on the product, create some sort of science fair. Have small booths where the teams are located and the stakeholders can walk around and have a look at the different issues and the different parts of the product increment the teams built. So no death by PowerPoint. It's annoying and it's not contributing to the reputation of this important event.